Hi friends, welcome back to another video by Sandeep Classes. I am Sandeep Gupta. This is my third video on VLOOKUP. In this video, I will talk about approx match and how will you use VLOOKUP if your data table is in different sheet or different workbook. As you can see, I have an income tax slab. I cannot use exact match here just because there is a gap in between the income. From 1, the income directly went to 2,50,001. So there is a huge gap. For example, suppose if I use exact match, VLOOKUP, it will give you the error message. This is my lookup value. This is the income which I want to look, comma. This is my lookup table from where I want to look my this income, comma. 2 is the column index number whose answer I want. Okay, my answer is in second column, so I have written 2 here, comma 0 for exact match. Enter. It has given you the error message just because 2,55,000 is not present in this column. Okay. Now at the same time, if I use approx match, in place of 0 I will write 1. Okay, 1 is used for approx match. You can see a small description has been given by Excel. Approx match. The value in the first column of table array must be sorted in the ascending order. That means your first column should be in the ascending order. Then only your approx match will work. Okay. Press enter. Now it has written 10% just because 2,55,000 is in the 10% slab. See, it falls in this slab, so it has written 10%. Now let me explain you how it works. It look the value 2,55,000 from this table. Okay, it will start searching it until it find the higher value. So it will come to this cell 5,01,000. Okay, it will stop here. As 5,01,000 is higher than 2,55,000, so it will stop here, and then it went back to the previous cell and give you the answer 10%. Now if I change 5,60,000, okay, now 5,60,000 falls in this slab, so it will come to this fourth column, fourth row. It will find 10,01,000 which is higher than 5,60,000, so you will stop here and went back to the previous cell, and from here it will give you the answer. Now suppose I want my answer in different sheet number 2. Okay, I will write 2,60,000. This is my lookup value. I will use the formula VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value, comma. As my table array, that is the table, is in different sheet, so I will go to in that sheet. Here, this is my table array. I went to this sheet, comma 2, comma 0 for approx match. Now you can see it has used the name of that sheet, means the name of this sheet is rate, so it has used the rate here. Okay, bracket close, enter. Sorry, 1 is for approx match, so I will write 1 here. Okay, now it has returned the answer. Whenever you change the figure here, 5,68,000, it changed the income tax rate. Okay, now for example, suppose I want my answer in different workbook. Okay, let me to open new workbook here, my new workbook. This is my new workbook. I want my answer in this workbook. See, the name of this workbook is book 1, whereas the name of this workbook is VLOOKUP class 3. Okay, my table is in this workbook, but I want my answer in different workbook. Here we write the income 5,69,000 equals to VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value, comma. Now I will go to in different workbook, that is where my table is. Okay, from here I will select the table column. Okay, now you can see it has used the address VLOOKUP class C. This is the name of my workbook, so I have used the name of this workbook, comma 2 is the column index number, comma 1 for approx match. Enter. It has written the value. Now change the format. It has written the value. Now suppose if you close this workbook, I'm closing this workbook, VLOOKUP class 3. Let me to close it, save. Now if you click on this cell, it has used the address of that particular workbook. That means VLOOKUP always use the address if your table is in different workbook or different worksheet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link above. Thank you.